How's my hair? My name is Phill Combs, and I schedule all of the door and screen installations. Traveling, fishing, hanging out with friends and family, watching sports, just basically relaxing. Everyone gets along with everyone. Everyone is willing to lend a hand, even if it's something that they may not be the most comfortable with, or maybe something that's out of their comfort zone. They're willing to lend a hand, and it's a true team. It's like a family here. Insulation's huge. Insulation's going to cool down the temperature of the garage a little bit. Also, it'll reduce the noise of the garage door. Also, I would recommend looking at upgrading to a belt-driven opener, or even a smart-driven garage door opener that you can control with your phone. Down in Florida, it's just safety. You know, with the storms we've got, the wind loads, they'll push those panels in and they'll rip the door right out of your house. Your garage door is your widest opening of your home. Having a hurricane-rated door is protecting your house. There's a few different things we look at. One is we make sure that the door is properly balanced, make sure that the door runs smoothly, checking the limits on the opener to make sure that it fully opens and closes, just going over all the hardware, making sure it's tightened, and then checking all the safety features like your safety sensors and auto reverse to making sure that they should be working as they should. It's trust. If you're working with a licensed company, you know that job is going to be done the correct way. You know that job is going to be done up to the state requirements. You may get a little bit cheaper from an unlicensed company, but when 2 weeks go by and that door is hanging crooked, you're not going to get them back on the phone, because they just got their money and they have no responsibility to it. So with a state licensed company, it is done the way that it's supposed to be done.